Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel The Techie Support with a new tutorial video on setting up HyperV. It is a straightforward process, and here's a step-by-step tutorial to help you get started. Please do watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any settings, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Techie Support. Let's begin. Step 1. Check system requirements. Go to Windows Search and type System Information. Ensure that your computer meets the requirements for running HyperV, Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education Edition, 64-bit, or Windows Server OS. The system type should be 64-bit processor and the virtualization technology should be enabled in BIOS/UEFI settings. For that you need to press F10 while booting your PC and the virtual machine should be enabled. Step 2. Enable HyperV feature. After checking the system requirements and your computer is fit to set up the VM machine, then let's search for Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and check the box next to HyperV. There are many other features as well. Click OK to start the installation process. Your computer may prompt you to restart to complete the installation. Let the PC restart. I will be right back. So, the PC has restarted and the installation process has been completed. Now let's move further. Step 3. Verify HyperV installation. Press the Windows key and search for HyperV Manager. Open the HyperV Manager application to ensure that HyperV is installed correctly. Now on the left side you can see the HyperV machine. Under that is your desktop. Click on it and then on the right hand side you can see all the action. Step 5. Create a virtual machine. In HyperV Manager, click on New. The new virtual machine wizard will open. Over the left-hand side you can select the operating systems. I would install another instance of Windows 10, or I could do Linux or a Mac OS under the Ubuntu operating system. Select any as you like. I would choose the Windows 10. On the right side you can see the information and the size of the image. If you're doing it for the first time you will have to install the image first. Select the OS image and click on Create Virtual Machine. The installation process will begin. The installation process will take time to complete depending on the size of the image file. So finally, the operating system for the virtual machine has been downloaded. Now before hitting connect, let's look into the setting we have. Under hardware we have firmware, security, memory, processor, and network adapter. Then under the management we have name of the virtual machine. We can edit that, like give it name my VM and many other features of the virtual machine. Let go back to memory. RAM we can put as 2048 and rest let it be as default. As this machine is on your desktop, so it will use up your system space and CPU. Click Apply and OK. Now our VM is showing off. Let's start it by clicking right-click and Start. You can see the status it's starting. Double-click on the machine and connect. Now the machine is booting. Starting the services, still getting ready. Almost the machine has booted. It's asking to select the region. Select according to your region. For me it's United Kingdom. Select keyboard layout. Many languages layout is available. Choose the appropriate one for you. For second keyboard language you can skip it. It will take some time to complete this setup. Almost there, completing the setup. Well, now the setup is completed. Everything seemed to be good to go. Now you can use this machine as your secondary PC and download apps, surf the browser as you do on a regular PC. That's it from this tutorial, step-by-step tutorial to configure a virtual machine. Hope you liked the video. kindly gives a like and subscribe to the channel Techie Support to encourage to make more informative videos and help you understand IT. Thank you.